Hello and good morning everyone. So children, I hope all of you might have been doing good at home, right? So children, before beginning our class today, we will just see what's the day today, okay? So today's date is children, it is 28 July 2021, okay? And today's day is, it is Wednesday, alright? So today is Wednesday, okay children? After that, now we will see what we had been studying in our last class, okay, and where up to where did we study and till where did we stop and from where to continue today, okay. So before beginning the explanation, okay, I'll just tell you which lesson we were studying, which unit and all that, okay. So we had been studying this lesson I want, right, the lesson I want, okay. So just for your convenience, I'll just try to sum up and revise whatever we studied in the last class, okay. So children, in this story I want, okay, there was a central character, right, the main character, that was a little monkey. If you remember children, there was a little monkey, right. So that little monkey, children, what did he want? He wanted to be big and strong, right. He wanted to be big and strong, that means he wanted to be large in size so that he may be a stronger one, okay. And after that we had seen that while he was wishing to be big and you know, to be strong, at that time what happened, a wise woman, she happened to hear what he was desiring for, okay. And if you remember children, that wise woman, okay, what did she give to this little monkey? She gave him a magical wand, okay. So children, I had explained you what is a magical wand is. So if you have forgotten, then that magical wand is a, you know, that magical stick usually in the hands of these fairies or magicians, as I had told you in the last class, right. So that is a magical wand, okay. I'll just draw for you. It's something this kind of, okay, that you usually see in the hands of magicians, all right. So that magical wand, who gave that magical wand to whom? That wise lady, okay, she gave this magical wand to whom? To this monkey, okay. Then after that what happened children, just as he got that magical wand, that little monkey, what did he see? He saw that giraffe, right. And you know what is a giraffe is, right, that giraffe is an animal, okay, who has a very long neck, all right, usually in yellow color with the brown patches on it, right. So this monkey, he saw whom? He saw that giraffe, okay. And what that giraffe was doing? That giraffe, he was eating the sweet leaves, okay, from a tree, okay, from the tall tree. So when this little monkey, he saw that giraffe, he also wished that he also wanted that long neck, okay. So with the help of this magical wand, what happened? Suddenly that monkey, he got a long neck of a giraffe, okay. And then after that what had happened? Then he saw an elephant, okay. And what did he see? He saw that elephant, he had a long trunk, okay. And with that long trunk, what that elephant was doing? He was sucking the water, okay, from the river, and he was pouring it all over him, okay. So when the little monkey, now when he saw this elephant, now he wished for that long trunk of an elephant, okay. So with the help of this magical wand again, okay, he wished to have that long trunk, and then what happened? Suddenly a long trunk, he got a long trunk, okay. Then after that children, from here we will continue now. Then after that, when the little monkey, he once again happened to see a zebra, okay. So children, do you know what is a zebra is? Zebra is an animal, okay, with this white and black stripes on his body all around, okay. So you look into the book children, the picture has been given there, okay. So he happened to see this zebra. So when the little monkey, saw this zebra, now again he wished to have that kind of stripes all over his body. Okay, so children, you can just imagine, okay, how will a creature look if it will have a long neck like giraffe, and it will have a trunk of elephant and stripes like zebra. You know, the creature will be looking like something very strange and ugly kind of, right? Awful the creature will be looking. So children, what happened is that when this little monkey, he desired for this long neck and then trunk and then the stripes of giraffes all around his body, then no problem, okay, no matter, he with the help of this magical wand, he got all of it. But then what happened is that, we will see further in the story what happened. The little monkey, he went to the river. Okay, children, where did he go? He just went to the river, and after reaching the river, he wanted to pour those water all around him. Okay, just like whom? Just like the elephant was doing, and by looking at the elephant, he got fascinated, right? So he also wished that he should also have that long trunk. So to do the same activity, okay, the little monkey, what did he do? He went to the river. Okay, now when the monkey, he went to the river, okay, suddenly what happened? He happened to see his reflection in the river, right? So children, you might have seen that, you know, whenever you are near the water or pond or river, okay, then what happens is that you can see your reflection in the water, right? क्या होता है कि you can see your reflection in the water, right? So similarly that way, this little monkey, when he went to the river, okay, to do that activity, to suck that water and pour all around him, so when he went there, so this little monkey, now he happened to see his reflection in the river, okay, and to see that reflection, children, this little monkey, he was so scared, okay, he was so scared that he happened to shout, he happened to cry, okay, he shouted so loudly, and what did he say? He said monster, okay. So as soon as he saw himself in the river, he was just like, oh, monster, monster, okay. So now children, what is a monster is? So monster is a, you know, devil, okay, D-V-I-L, or ghost, G-H-O-S-T, ghost. So children, all of you might have been knowing what is this monster is, okay. जो हम बोलते हैं ना भूत, that is a monster, okay. So children, you might have seen in television, okay, or in comics books, anywhere, okay, we have always known that a monster is never good to look at, right children? So if you have seen the picture or movies, okay, or in cartoon, anywhere, so you have always seen that a monster is never good looking, okay. The monsters, you know, these devils, evils, this kind of creatures, they look ugly, okay, they look scary, they look so much scary that we get scared to listen about them or to look at them, okay. So now back to the story, children. So now this little monkey, okay, when he happened to see his own reflection into the water, then what happened is that he was so scared, okay, that he found himself to be just like a monster. Alright, he just found himself to be just like a monster, and out of that scaredness, okay, what did he shout? He just called out himself to be a monster, okay. And at the time when the little monkey, he was crying, okay, he was just shouting to look at himself, he was just realizing, oh no, what I have done to myself, okay. The little monkey, he was just now, he was regretting, you know, he was regretting, he was you know, he was in such a terrible condition at that time. He found himself in such a terrible condition that he happened to cry out loud. Okay, and at that time what happened, the mother of this little monkey, okay, she appeared, okay, and then his mother, she said, you see now what you have done to yourself. Okay, who said this line? This line is said by the mother of the little monkey, and she said that now you look at what you have done to yourself. Okay, now you have a long neck like giraffe, okay, long neck like giraffe, and then trunk of that elephant, and then those stripes of zebra all over his body. Okay, so now this little monkey, he was he was in such a terrible condition, and he wanted to get his body back. Okay, he now wanted himself to be in just like the way that little monkey, the way he was. Okay, now he did not like himself that way, the way he has made himself. Okay, so now with the help of this magical wand again he wanted himself to be back just like the way he was, right? So now bang, hop and whiz, all those sounds came out, and then what happened? The monkey, he came back to his old state. Okay, that means he became the way he was earlier. Okay, and how he was like earlier, children? He was just like a little monkey, cute little monkey. Okay, so after that, the monkey, he came back to his old state. Okay, just like the way he was. All right, and there the story, it gets concluded. So children, this is all about the story. Okay, but what do you think, children? Have we learned from this story? So what is the moral of the story, children? Okay, so I'll tell you, the moral of the story is, we should be always satisfied, okay, the way we are. You should never be, like dissatisfied that why I am like this, why I am tall, or why I am fair or dark or short or very tall, I am thin or this and that. No, the moral of the story is you should be happy, okay, to be just the way you are. All right, however God has created you, children, learn to be happy with it. Okay, you need to learn in your life to be happy and to be contented and to be satisfied, okay, with the way you have been created by the God. Or else if you try to if you try to change yourself, what will happen? You will become uglier. Okay, because God is our creator, and however he has created us, we are best in that way. Okay, and what you need to do is that you need to be happy with the way you are. Okay, never just try to change yourself. Okay, never try to change yourself, or don't get your mind diverted, okay, by looking at other or something, okay, that how happy I would have been if I was like him, like her, or whatever. Okay, no, you be the way you are and learn to be happy in the same manner. Okay, so this is all about the story, children. So here we conclude the story, and what you need to do is that you need to read the story I want thoroughly. Okay, and you have to try to find out the doubts and confusions if there is any. Okay, you have to try to find out doubts and confusion, and if there is any doubt or confusion, you can call me anytime. Okay, you have my personal number with you can message me, you can text me. Okay, and with that, children, you have to do one homework. So you know monkey, right? You know monkey, that a monkey has 4 limbs. Okay, monkey is brown in color. Okay, so you have to write about monkey. Okay, you have to write about this topic, just 4 or 5 lines. Okay, just 4 or 5 lines in your own words. Okay, children, just try to write it, whatever is there in your mind, how a monkey looks like, what monkey eats. Monkey likes to eat banana, monkey is a wild animal, and monkey has 4 limbs, it is brown in color. Anything that you have that is there in your mind. Okay, just a topic monkey, and you have to try to write it down. Okay, so you will write it down in your English 1 notebook. Okay, that is a 4-line copy. Children, just write it in a beautiful cursive handwriting. Okay, so children, with this we finishes our class. All right, so here we conclude. Thank you.